warm regards, respected Principal Ma'am, diligent headmistress Ma'am, hardworking and loving teachers. I welcome you all in this beautiful morning. My name is Pakhi from class 3rd E.
And my name is Vinayak from the same class, and we are going to host today's morning assembly.
Today is 18th November 2023 and it's Saturday. As we all are aware that we start every event and occasion with prayers. It takes away negative thoughts from our mind.
So let's start our day by offering prayers to the Supreme Almighty.
My life is in you, Lord, my strength is in you, my hope is in you, Lord, in you is in you. My life is in you, Lord, my strength is in you, my hope is in you, Lord, in you is in you. I will praise you with all of my life, oh Lord. I will praise you with all of my strength, oh Lord. I will praise you with all of my life, oh Lord. I will praise you with all of my strength, oh Lord. With all of my life, with all of my strength, all my hope is in you, is in you. With all of my life, with all of my strength, all my hope is in you, is in you. My life is in you, Lord, my strength is in you. I am Shreya from class 3rd E. Thought of the day is start each day with gratitude, happiness, kindness and end it with a peaceful heart. And watch your days become a little bit sweeter every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It helps us stay updated and increase our knowledge.
So let's call Naks to enlighten us with current happenings.
Bombay and IIT Delhi secure position in top 50 in Asian ranking. Number 3. Union Minister launches Bharat Atta to support poor farmers. Number 4. India reached World Cup finals by defeating New Zealand in the semi-finals. Number 5. A Guinness World Record was created by lighting 22 lakhs diyas in Ayodhya. Number 6. Recently, the International Trade Fair has started in New Delhi. Thank you and have a nice day.
Right, posing on stage to express our ideas and feelings on moral values through an English poem. Purvi of grade 30, I am going to recite a poem on moral values. We should always say what true, even when it's hard to do. Honesty is always right, morning, afternoon and night. We should always speak up nice, speaking nicely let the light. Morning, afternoon and night. Being kind is always right. Morning, afternoon and night. We should always share our toys with the other girls and boys. Sharing toys is always right. Morning, afternoon and night. Being kind is always right. Showing respect to all of you do. Yes sir, yes ma'am, thank you too. Showing respect is always right. Morning, afternoon and night. Thank you. जिसने मनोभावों को कला
कक्षा 3 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। नदी के जैसे सरल बनो, पर्वत से तुम अड़ रहो, सूरज जैसे आभा वाले, चांद जैसे शालीन बनो, उपकार करो वृक्षों के जैसे, परिश्रम करो तुम चींटी जैसे। ये 6 बातें तुम अपनाओ, जग में अपना नाम कमाओ। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Every day is a part of a disciplinary way of learning words.
So to tell today's new words, I invite Limit.
Good morning, everyone. Today's new words are number 1. Empathy, which means the ability to understand and share the feelings of others.
To tell us more about them, now we have Arohi, Chakshita, Hazel, Devachi and Cheshta on stage. Hello everyone, I am Fairness. Stay by rules, take turn and share. Be open-minded, listen to others, don't blame others. Thank you and have a nice day. Hello, I am Honesty. Be honest, be reliable, do what you say. Have the courage to do the right thing. Build reputation, be loyal. Stand back your family, friends and country. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am responsibility. I am responsible. I hold myself accountable. When everything goes wrong, I show myself control. Use good judgment. It's my duty. Let's make this priority. Thank you. My name is Compassion. Be kind and compassionate and share with care and great gratitude. Forgive others, forgive others, forgive others. Help people in need. Thank you. Follow the golden rules. Be tolerant of differences. Choose good manners. Don't use bad language. Be considerate of feeling of others. Deal peacefully with anger and insult. Thank you.
Let's give them a huge round of applause.
I love the teaching and typical values that define humankind, and this skit is based on our daily life situations. So friends, be ready and enjoy each and every character of this skit.
Wow, what a pleasant morning. Let us start the day with blessings of God. प्रणाम दादी माँ। खुश रहो बेटा। अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। और आज आपको स्कूल जाना है ना? जी दादी माँ। अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना और टीचर को परेशान मत करना। जी दादी माँ।
बहुत खराब है। ओके पापा। बाय मम्मी, बाय पापा। बाय बेटा। From this we learn we should respect our elders. लगता है ये पपीज बहुत भूखे हैं, मैं इनको कुछ खिला देती हूँ। अरे ये क्या, ये पौधा बहुत सूखा है, मैं इनको कुछ पानी दे देती हूँ।